Yeah, what a great story. 87 going on 47.
47. Yes, we love that.
Barbara's got the true San Antonio spirit. And by the way, Ryan, we got to welcome all of our great visitors to the Alamo City.
Yeah.
So many coming, and everyone is wondering about the weather, and we're all pointing the finger at you, my man.
A lot of people are. I have a lot of pressure on my shoulders. But I did want to mention that, you know, the Final Four is nothing without all the volunteers that are helping out with so many small tasks that really sum up to the large task of being the Final Four here in San Antonio. So
well said.
Really good stuff. So let's talk about the weather. And I know it's going to be a little active between Friday night and Saturday morning. I know a lot of folks are going out to see Pitbull Friday night at Hemisphere Park. We have a lot of celebrations and festivities happening. So let's talk about it. The Final Four cast, and temperatures are going to be warm in the 80s and 90s through Thursday and Friday, tomorrow and Friday. 91 for a high temperature Friday afternoon. Now the best chance for rain will be Friday morning, some drizzle, some light showers, and then again late at night after 10 p.m. Friday night. Probably through about the midnight, 1 o'clock hour in the overnight into early Saturday morning. I think during the day is just fine. So if you are going out to Hemisphere or to Fan Fest, it should be fine. We'll see sunshine and highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Best chance of rain between about midnight and 5 a.m. Saturday morning. And some of that will linger until Saturday afternoon. But highs, look at this, 79 Saturday, 67 Sunday, 74 Monday. And look at the overnight lows, 40s waiting for us early next week. So a different pattern is shaping up for San Antonio. All right, 88 degrees, a high temperature today. That's above normal. 78 is normal, and our average low is around 56, where we bottomed out at 74. So it was a pretty warm and spring-like day, but above average, that's for sure. Okay, 70s and 80s on the map. 81 at Cashville, 81 at Calavera, still near 90 in Del Rio and Eagle Pass. It just shows you how hot it can get in our western counties compared to San Antonio. And when you're closer to the Gulf, 78 at Seguin and 78 at Gonzales. Radar's quiet. It looked like it wanted to rain all day, but it was dry. We are watching out for the potential at a couple of showers and storms, but really did not materialize in our area. But notice anywhere northeast from Arkansas towards parts of the Midwest, that's where they're dealing with a severe weather outbreak. Matter of fact, all of these, and this has been the case for the last 6 hours, all of these are active tornado warnings and active severe warnings. Rotation, hail, upwards of 2 to 3 inches. And that is a huge outbreak of storms moving through the eastern United States. Here in our forecast, we say cloudy tomorrow morning, lower 70s. If you're heading out to the Valero Texas Open tomorrow or Friday, 90 degrees, 91 on Friday, and it will be a little breezy Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as that front approaches. Matter of fact, let me show you what it looks like. The same front retreats back farther north as a warm front and then stalls out. That'll be the focal point for a couple of storms in our area late Friday night after 10 p.m. and then into early Saturday morning. This front eventually moves through our area, pushes out the cloud cover slowly, and then we're a lot cooler. How much rain? It depends on where you're located, but I think anywhere north of the I-10 corridor, a half an inch of rain around San Antonio, right around a tenth to a quarter. We do need the rain, just not at the timing of the Final Four festivities. Let's talk about it on the 14-day forecast. 90 tomorrow, 91 Friday, and then a lot cooler this weekend behind the front. Best chance of rain late Friday night into early Saturday morning. Lows back in the 40s and highs in the 70s on Monday and Tuesday. We'll be right back.